Lohbado is bad breath in the morning. Brought back memories of grandmother's breath. Both Lohbado and grandmother had bad breath in the morning. Lohbado remembered the day grandmother was depressed, so he gave her a hug and a kiss to cheer her up. Grandmother who lived in the forest. This was back in 1969. There was a road. This is again a memory from the mid 60s, 66, 67. There was a road, a windy road, along a cove and up over an escarpment. A road. In the cove there was a marina, pleasure boats, the water, swimming in crystal clear water, diving off granite cliffs, pink granite with quartz veins, green, black, white, red, pink, a whole spectrum, a psychedelic experience with a well-being of water, rock, trees, white pine.